All right. Hey, let's see what happened since I last logged in. So I got nice salvage pack since I'm a registered user, and I got some nice rice cooker foot. The octopus, was that an octopus head? Forget what it's called. Water head, octopus torso. So I like that a lot better than the bear torso. And what did I have before? Ninja foot? I didn't think like the ninja foot mixed with the bear torso, but now I have options, so I'm happy. Did I leak my username? Yeah, you guys know my username. The same as my Twitch name. Anyway, what happened since I last played? Freak, Technic, and Zeke both defeated my defense. Did that change? No. I put in a suggestion that we allow these names to be randomized. I don't know what Adam felt about that, but I should. Oh, wait a minute. I need to do this properly. Hold on. I'll fix this. We're changing the title. I'm gonna have to edit this video later. We're changing this to Botland, right? Let me cache this. Caching here for now. Old stream title. And we're gonna change this to Botland. I forget what number I'm on, Botland. I think it's 4. I won't put a name. I'm updating my stream title. Taking a break from work. Let's play Botland. Taking a break from work. Okay. And oh, my tags got cleared. How did that happen? Anyway, changing the name to Bot. How come Botland doesn't show up in the category list? There it is. Update. Okay, so now the stream title's updated. We're now on Botland category. That work? For me, it doesn't always work unless I refresh. But I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, let's replay some defenses. My tags were programming and software development, but it reset my tags for some reason just now. But the tags now is just strategy. Could this be a strategy game? Let's see what Freak Technic did to my defense. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm kind of using these regen chips as sort of meat shields. Or I don't know how to say it. I don't really care if the attackers get to them, as long as I destroy the attackers while they're preoccupied with the chips. But maybe that's not the best strategy. I'm pretty sure I know what happened. It's these guys up here that never really join in. Yeah. So maybe I should work on updating my defense. What I kind of want to do is these guys that go out here, I want them to kind of come back. I wonder why that one's just wandering around, though. Which one is that? Omicron? Okay, maybe I have him doing a figure it out thing. Let me see what that is. Use your chips as meat shield as well. Make your... Maybe I just need to move my artillery back a little bit. What if I just move these back a step? Like that? Then they'll be able to get... Actually, what's the range of artillery? This one might not hit, but this one would. I'm okay with that. It probably would help to have that guy closer, right? Thanks for the follow, by the way. Okay, what was the one that had the problem? Is it Omicron? I don't. It's been so long. I don't know what his script is. There's no script assigned. Maybe that's the problem. I don't have any scripts. Hold on. I thought I had scripts. Okay, I do have a script right here. It's called unnamed. Maybe I should name it. If melee will hit... So now I'm giving away my defense. Now you guys are going to kill me. If melee will hit any direction, she could shield. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I think I've been doing most of my scripting on attack. Oh no. I do have a script. Which one's this? New? Oh, my melee guys. Yeah. Here we go. I'm revealing all my secrets. Thanks for the follow. If can shield, self shield. Right, I'm looking for... the lowest life enemy. If they're far away, teleport to them. Otherwise, if I can hit something, hit them. Yeah, so this is to jump. I wanted to kill the things that I could kill quick. So even if I could hit something immediately, if there's some guy that's a little like lower life who's a little bit further away, I'll teleport to them and then hit them. I think this is maybe the problem. I'm always going to the edge of the arena. So really, what I really want to do is I want to set the destination to that if I'm not already over there, right? Let's see if I can figure this out. I'm gonna have difficulty keeping up with chat, so let me know. Tag me in any message you want me to see. I already got tagged about defeating Goon Pontoon in the defense rankings. How did I do that? I didn't think my defense was that great. Let's see. Yeah, just tag me in any message to make sure I see it. I want some. Where was it? Movement, right? What's the flickering on my glasses? I don't know. It could be the blue screen filter. I was gonna say you should switch to attacking if you're concerned about giving away defense scripts. It's okay. I'm not that serious of a player. I'm more of a casual player. I just enjoy the. I actually mostly enjoy the attacking. I'll do that. I'll do the attacking in a minute. I did mean to go update this though. I just need to find out where was that. Is it support? I always forget where the snippets are that I need. I need the part where it's logic, right? So I always go into advanced. Maybe that's bad. Yeah, I could keep it simple. No, I really need a variable. Where's the init stuff? Here somewhere. It's been a while, my friends. There's a nice search UI now. Ooh, I did notice that. Oh, I like it. Where did it find that? Anyway, yeah, I want some variables, right? I want a variable to say whether he's going left or right. It's run. Okay. Yes, let's make a variable. Oh, I like this, Adam. Although, how come all this matched variable? I want a set. Set. Let's grab. Oh, that's set. How do you set a variable? Oh, this is what I want, right? I don't want to rename all. I want a new one. How do you make a new variable? Probably in here somewhere, right? Variables. Create a variable. There we go. Variable name. Let's call it direction. Oh, yeah, direction. Set direction to I just need a number. There we go. So it's going to be -1 for I don't need these comments. Get rid of the comments. Go away. So what I'll do is this will be plus, and then I'm going to put the variable there. I guess I don't want that, right? Direction. And then I need some logic here. Where was it? If we can move. Actually, I can just say if destination x, if current x is 0, right? Variables. How do we get our current position again? I feel so like such a noob. Built-in variables, x, yes. logic. I want a comparator. Compare? I think we can do this one. If x is 0, then let's can I copy that? Duplicate. Set it to 1. Then actually I have this destination. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, what am I thinking? I did this totally wrong. I'm just being I think I'm getting out of my confusion. If direction variables direction. If direction is, do I need direction then? Just use text mode. I want to get better at using the Blockly stuff. I'll make you guys feel better by being better at it than I am. Actually, I don't think I want direction. I think I just want destination. I don't even need this variable. Let's set destination x in the init. And then if we reach 0, then we'll just duplicate this. Set destination x to the arena width, right? There we go. I end up, when I do this Blockly stuff, I end up getting a lot of bits and pieces because I think like I might need them later, right? So we'll clean up later. So set the destination x initially to 0. This used to be -1, right? Right, okay. Let's put that back in there. And this whole thing goes into this, right? If I am it's only if I'm a defender, so only if I get to 0. So let's duplicate this. If I'm an attacker, I need an and. Logic. Where's the and stuff? And? AMD. Here we go. Got it. If we're an attacker and x is 0, set destination x to arena width -1, right? No, it's not attacker. Not. Okay, Adam, I really like the search field now. If not attacker, so if we're a defender and we reach the left edge, then we set it. So I need an else. How do I do an else? If you're never the attacker, defense and attack scripts don't get shared anymore. Oh, they don't? Okay, so yeah, it used to be you could share them, right? So let's get rid of this. We're always the defender. Don't need that. Don't need this and stuff. It's just this. And that moves. That's redundant. Okay, if we reach the left edge, then we start going to the right. That's really what I wanted. Just something simple to start with. These are all bits and pieces I don't need anymore, right? Okay, so let me see if I got this right. We start out, destination is the left edge. We do, if there's nothing to attack, and we reach the left edge, then set a destination to the right edge. And then, what did I have here? Setting it to the middle, move to, this is all, we're all done then, right? Can I move to the, oh, look at that. That's easy. Look at that little trash can too. Is that something Blockly gives you? All right. Clean up. Let's update. Let's call this. Let's give it a name. This is melee. Do I need to? You're saying it's not mixed, but defense. Update. Sorry, I'm reading chat. You think people with tons of programming experience would just get it? I kind of want to experience the whole game. So even though I could program it in JavaScript, I just feel like I want to experience the game. Part of the game is doing the Blockly stuff. I feel like that's important. Maybe I'm just a weirdo. Okay, so let me try this defense. Test. I want to put some guys down here. I want to see these guys march all the way across. So let's make some guys that just stand still. I'm not really using these guys. Actually, you know what I would like? I'd like to be able to delete blueprints. I don't know how to do that though. Blockly stuff isn't part of the game, in your opinion? Well, that's your opinion. Sorry. I enjoy the at least knowing being competent in the Blockly makes me feel good that I could do quick, or I could help someone else who's doing the Blockly stuff. Maybe that's what it is. Let me just edit this. What am I doing? Hold on. Discard changes. Exit out. Oh yeah, okay. Long range. Yeah, that's what I want. Can I just move? Can I just let them stand still? No. Whoa, what happened? I hit X and it left the test. Okay, that's fine. Let's just move these guys down. I still get tripped up by the long press stuff. I want to have these guys down here making trouble on one side of the map. Because I want to see that guy up there go all the way to the left and then come back to the right. See, they're getting pulled away. Long press duration? Oh, okay. It's mostly just me, though. I don't think I want any of these guys. How do you... The clear all? Yes. Exactly, okay. Yeah, I guess I'll just redo this one. So I just want nothing. And I don't want him to do anything, so let's rename him. Dummy. Let's assign him a script. Create a new script, the dummy script, where he will just melee. Why not? That's all he does. So we'll just put some dummies out here. Go. Those guys should march all the way to the left, and then go. What happened? Oh, they got taken out? I wasn't watching them. Put them over here. Actually, I don't even need them. Clear. Go. March to the left, and then march back to the right, please. Okay, I guess I need them to stay alive long enough for me to see what the other guys do. Make them cloak. Okay, we'll make him cloak. Cloak, where are you? Oh, I haven't unlocked cloak. I can unlock cloak, why not? Store. Cloaking. There, I purchased cloaking. Cloaking. 3. Edit script. What's the support? Cloak? Yes. Sure. Okay, try again. Are they cloaked? Oh, they're marching back. That's good. Yeah, I want them to march back to the CPU and basically stay there. Because my idea is they'll march all the way to the left, hopefully pull out an attacker. And if there's no attackers, come back to the right and just sit there and defend. Okay, well, good luck with your marketing stuff, Adam. Thanks for the host. I think I'm going to go back to attacking now. I am happy with this for now. Although, what was that Omicron guy? Did I just throw those in random and not have any script assigned? What was this script? This was... right, these are like primarily artillery, but if someone gets in close, we use melee. So I'm going to call this one main defenders. Really, this was intended to be aggressive defenders. And then, yeah, this one, I think I need to give him a script, because he just kind of randomly runs around. I don't know what I want yet. I'll just keep it for now. Okay. Someone defeated me while I was working on that. Or was that hours ago and I just didn't notice? Uh-oh. Is this the one I already watched? No, this is different. Actually, this might be the same. Oh no, they just took me out. They won fair and square. It wasn't my bots hanging out over here that was the problem. They just beat me fair and square. Who was that? I can't even see the name. Oh, it's Zeke. Okay. Crossover episode, yeah. So Adam hosted me, and I figure no one was playing Botland, so why not play Botland? Okay, let's attack. I'll show you guys what I do when I attack. You guys will tell me how flawed my strategy is. So I look to see what weapons they're using first off. So missiles. So I don't want to use, like, try to hit them with artillery. I think I want to use melee. And if I have a reflect, that would be nice. So melee with reflect. I had one of those here. So I'm going to attack with beta. Is that a bug that it disappeared there? It's just a feature, right? Let's just go in with 2 betas, and then I like to kind of have a harassment guy out here. And let's try that. He's just going to harass. He reflected at least 1 missile there. See how he jumped away? It wasn't very effective, but it was cool. Okay, I think now what I want to do is kind of rush in. I've been meaning to make a script that if I put a bot down here, it goes immediately to the right and then up to kind of avoid these guys. I'd like to do that. But yeah, I don't feel like doing the scripting right now. Let's just attack. So I have this guy that melees, and they'd like to jump in. Actually, maybe I could update this so that it does not use does not attack chips. Let's do bots only. Bot or CPU? Yes, that's what I want. I don't really want to attack chips. I'm ignoring chips, these guys. Let's just move in from the bottom. No, what are you taking the chip for? Okay, that didn't work out so well. Let's put in... I have 2 more. That's not looking good for me. Maybe I'll just throw in some towels and pray. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, they're going where I want them to go. I think I might have a shot at it if he ignores me. Yay, look at that. Oh no! Why did he do that? Crap. They're teleporting. He shouldn't have teleported. Oh, because the enemy's life was lower. I should really, if I get to the CPU, I want to... No, I still want to attack them. I don't know, it gets complicated. Let's attack again. Dog. I defeated dog before. What did I do? Melee and a little bit of laser and shield. Did I just rush in? I don't remember. Yeah, whoever has the dog account, great name there. Maybe I used this one. Oh no, I think I used artillery. I had 1 of these, and I had like artillery behind them. Like that. Or maybe I used 2 of these. I think that's what I did. My idea is that these artillery would take out anyone who gets too close. I really need to customize the look of my bots because I have trouble figuring out whose are mine. Two more. Let's go. I think what I did is I had artillery that distracted those guys, and these guys rush in. Right, so I had these guys instead. There we go. Let's try that. This isn't working out so well for me today, is it? Yeah, I really need to have it go all the way to the right and then up. What if I just did all artillery? Nah. I failed miserably. My attack rating goes down. Oh, look at this. And Julie defeated dog. Look at that. Suck it, dog. Want a guy to sneak in the back, give him melee 3, armor 3, and cloaking or thrusters? Yeah, thrusters and melee. Boatland. Okay, this is a simpler map. I tend to do better with simpler maps. Okay, so it's heavily melee. So I just match up melee with melee, and this one works out pretty well for me. Let's just try it. Yeah, see, I do... Whoa, what happened there? Did they just get missiled to death? Thought I was doing well there. What happened? Can I watch and see what happened? Oh. Was it they're just low on health and I wasn't watching? Yeah, okay. They're running low on health and they get annihilated there. That's what happened. Alright, return to game. Let's try... Let's try reflecting their stuff. With this. Okay, go. You guys can do it. I believe in you. All right, let's take out that chip there. Reflect. I don't think the reflect worked, but that's okay. No. Oh, reflected there. Yeah, look at that. Reflect those missiles. Oh, didn't last long enough. Not too bad, though. I got one more round. Oh, what happened there? Oh, he was only attacking. Only one was attacking me with missiles. Okay, now I'm just gonna brute force it. No, only one bot. Can't brute force it. Who am I gonna use? This guy? No, he can't live long enough. Something tells me that you guys are getting better. I was doing so much. So I was defeating people yesterday, and now I am not doing so well. Oh, this is interesting. They're all way on this left side. Let me work on this. So let's make a new blueprint. Actually, let me just redo this one. Throw out that. We're going to have melee. We're going to have thrusters and cloaking. Let's rename this to Blitz. Script. New script. Just for Blitz. Okay, so let's see if I can start with how I can use any of this. No, I don't want this. Okay. We are the attacker. So we just do that. Oh, hold on. I do want that. Throw away that. Built-in variables. If this actually I want that, right? That's built-in arena width -1, right? Then destination is y is the arena height. Actually, this whole thing. So if we get to the right edge, set the destination y to be the midpoint, and otherwise, is there an else? Gonna cloak right away. Yeah, I haven't gotten to that part yet. I want the else part. Else set to our normal, to our already what we are. Then move, right? This we don't want. We want this. Okay, so now the attack stuff and support. So we want to cloak first. No, we don't want to cloak first. If melee will hit, do that. Otherwise, if we can cloak, then move towards the right. And clean up the rest. I don't need this stuff. Let's try this out. No better time to try than the present. If melee will hit, do that. If can cloak. So to the right side, if we're there, then set to the middle. Otherwise, we're moving to the right only. Okay, let's try that. So that's update. So blitz, let's blitz them. I want to not put them next. I don't want them to be in melee range. Let's try it. Cloak. Oh, they're attacking. What? Maybe I should have... Okay, that guy got through. I wonder if they're attacking too aggressively. Okay, those ones are a little bit too intelligent. They're finding me. That's actually not too bad, right? I can do the same trick. Yeah, see, they're not seeing me at all, and I'm getting all the way over here and attacking the CPU. I like it. I think we're good. Look, I ranked up or something. I don't quite understand the wraparound. I think I'm ranking up. Oh, there we go. I didn't see that before. I never moused over that to see that. So we're gold 2. Grandmaster rank 20. Alright, Marius. You're up next. Okay, shield, laser, and artillery. Well, why can't I just, let's put in one blitz guy on one side, and we will, yeah, why don't I just artillery them from a safe distance? Let's try that. He's gonna go in the... Oh, you're not supposed to attack him? I think attacking bots is too high priority. Let me adjust the blitz script. Yeah, let's only melee. Actually, what I want to do is if it's a CPU. There was a way to target, right? You're still writing a script to beat Ski Dog with? Ski Dog's difficult to beat, that's for sure. Yes, if melee will hit. Oh, I need a shoot. I need a find thing, right? Yeah, you just need to play. You end up getting bot coin just by, you know, playing, attacking a few times, letting yourself get attacked. It takes time. Where was the stuff to? Oh, here we go. Find. Wasn't okay. I'm gonna steal from figure it out. I think that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna steal from figure it out. Why did it do that? Oh, I clicked that. Yeah, this part. Set closest enemy bot. So find enemy chip. I guess that doesn't really matter. If melee will hit closest enemy chip. then melee. I guess that makes sense. So only if it's a chip will we attack it. Otherwise, we're going to cloak and try to move towards the center. Let's try that. So it's basically going to ignore all the other enemies. I suppose... Let's add in something at the end. If we can't move. So, melee. We will, where's the movement? I want pursue. Oh, here we go. If move. If can move. I want to say if can move towards the destination. Speed to 32x. Let's search. Oh, here we go. That's what I want. Duplicate. If we can move to the destination. Then move. Otherwise we'll melee. If we can't move, we're gonna melee. Let's try that. If we can hit the chip, hit the chip. If we can cloak, cloak. Fine, no, go to the right and then up or down. If we can move, move. Otherwise we'll, if nothing else, we will attack. Update that. Alright, so let's try this. Blitz from... Let's put that one off. Actually, no, let's destroy him and put a distraction out there somewhere. There we go. Let's try this. So there they go. Why did he attack him? Anyway, he's doing the right thing. There's going in for the sneak attack there. Why is he attacking the other bots, though? That's what I don't understand. Oh, melee in any direction that will work. I want to say melee whatever the target is. I still don't understand why it was meleeing and not moving. Is it because it has to move direct? If it can get to that in one move, it will move? Or it might be falling through, right? So what if I do this? No. Yeah. Will that help? This is your rush to Grandmaster? Oh, well, I only have one more round. Let's try and see what he does. See, he jumped in and attacked. I don't understand why. I've got horse. I'm guessing it's because we can't move directly to that spot because we haven't gotten that far, so... Yeah. This is problematic. Let's just remove... Let's just do the move. For now. Okay. Blitzing. There we go. Okay, it's smarter, only he's gonna get... Oh, he melees anyway. He's meleeing... They're meleeing even though they're the CPU is not within range. I wonder if that's broken. Like closest enemy chip? Oh, do I need to set that variable up? That's probably what it is, right? Find or something, right? Let's do that. Find enemy chips. So, yeah, I think you're right, playing with scissors. So, set closest enemy chip to find enemy chips, and then like if it exists, right? Well, it'll always exist, right? Won't it always? That should always work. There's only one in. Oh, I don't want chip. I want CPU. Oh, that's the problem, right? Let me rename that. That's enemy CPU. If we can hit the enemy CPU, okay. So maybe this part, what I had before, was still okay. Let me do that. Can move. Try this again. And then otherwise, melee. Let's try that. All right, Blitz, you're up again. Actually, we have a wide opening there on the top. Let's go for it. Uh-oh. It's broken. It's utterly broken. That was funny. Sort of. I guess this is if we can move directly to it, so I can't do that. I just don't want it, if like it gets stuck, it's just going to mindlessly get attacked. Actually, I know if we're moving right or if we're moving, I know if we're moving horizontal or if we're moving vertical, right? So I can put that in this. So, okay, so let's take this back. If it can move to, let's get some logic here. Well, hold on, what am I doing? It's here. Math. And Y? Oh, that goes here, right? We can move to x plus 1, y. Then move. Right? If we can't, I need an else. If we can move... Actually, no, I don't need that. Sorry. Put this back. If we can move, move. Don't need this. All right, so that moves in here. This we're moving vertically. I don't know which... Okay, I'll have to have more logic. if else. If y is less than destination y. Then if we can move to x, y plus 1, move there. Move in that direction. Otherwise, it's this minus 1. Right? I have a sense that the real JavaScript would be easier to read than the Blockly stuff. Okay, so let me see if I got this right now. Delete these. Set enemy CPU, find enemy CPU. So if we can hit it, hit it. Otherwise, cloak if we can. Set the destination to the right hand of the arena. If we're there, then set the destination Y to the middle. If we're above it, if we can move down, move down. If we're not above, if we're below, and we can move up, move up. Otherwise, we are... Okay, I need to duplicate this a little bit, right? Oh, no, I have this. If we can move to the right, then move. If we can't move, we're going to fight. Anything. Let's try this. You can do it, Blitz. I believe in you. Go. You didn't move. What the heck? He's not moving. Oh, what happened here? I wonder if that was a problem. I mean, it should get to one of these Terminators, right? It should either move or it should melee. Was it that extra block on top that was causing it? Maybe it was. Let's try this. Put one down here. Go. No, they're just not moving. There's something messed up. Whoa. Did I just... What happened? I hit X. I guess I forfeited. What is wrong with this script? What are we seeing here? Is this playing with scissors attack? Whoa. Nice. I'm not that advanced right now. Floating blocks mess it up? Let's see. Do I have a floating block? I don't think I do. Oops. MIT license of botland scripts? Yeah. I MIT license things by default unless it's not open source. Is this the problem here? I think this is the problem. Oh, no, it's just moving to the right. If we can move to the right, then move. What if I just copy this to, like, if it's just not getting through, it'll at least move towards the destination. Unless it's not set. Hold on. Let's default that. Whoops. What happened there? Let's default that up here. It'll at least have a default destination it'll move to. Then it should at least move. What the heck? They're not moving. Gonna start pulling my beard hair out in a second if I can't figure this out. Maybe I'm getting script errors. Okay. I need to make this wider. Yeah. All right. No errors. I'm just doing something wrong. Okay, maybe it's time to switch to code. Actually, you know what I can do? I can I duplicate the script. There we go. We'll call this Blitz JS, and then switch to code. All right. So what's going on here? Melee will hit any CPU melee. If cloak. Destination X is that. Y is that. If X is that. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good to me. Yes, code. I don't see anything wrong with this. Maybe there was just something wrong with the Blockly. Yeah, let's try it out. They just don't move. What the heck? What if I put one in the middle? Well, it just none of them are moving. They use NP. Oh, that's for playing with scissors. I don't know. Anybody have any ideas what I'm doing wrong here? It's not moving at all. So it's hitting some terminator, even though and not moving, even though I've set the destination to be the right edge of the arena. Maybe it always thinks it will hit. Okay, what's the third argument for find entities? I was assuming move to could take any chords, and then it didn't work, so I thought oh maybe oh move to can accept any chords. It doesn't exist? Does this mean like it can't see it? Okay, but if it can't find it, it won't melee, right? Ooh, what's that? Is this something I should try out? It is from Freak Technic. So this is a plugin to what? To ESLint. I don't know how to run ESLint. Sorry. I'll consider that later when I figure out how to use ESLint. Move to is not effective? Is that the problem, that move to is too far away? So then I can try this. And then actually I shouldn't need that, right? Should I try it this way? It's only can move and move to if it can move. It should be able to move in one of these three directions based off of where it is, and if there's nothing blocking it. Let's try that. Can't move. There's an else missing? Hold on. Alright. Else missing, you're saying. If that... Oh, I see. Well, no, but it can... Okay, so it should never be going into this right now. It should always be going to this, right? So shouldn't it be moving to the right? I don't get it. Yeah, but it should be able to move one position to the right. Unless I'm going crazy. Right, the else, there's no else. It should fall through, and it should... If it can't move to the right, then it's something blocking it, right? So it will it probably should melee. Should I just have it melee to the right? How do you do melee? Is it melee right? I'm just guessing here. And then what, melee... If you can't move down, there's got to be something there. Melee... Is it down? So let's try this. This is melee up, right? No, it's the other way around. That's down. This is up. It just should never get here, right? So it should either move or melee in all paths, unless I... Let's try it. Okay, now he's not doing anything. It might have been because there was someone standing... Oh, here we go. We're attacking. This is not going to work, but... Because they're all defending their CPUs, but let's see. Yeah, it's just broken. Adding complexity to the code doesn't work. True. Oh, I think we're going to time out. Oh, no, he came and sought me out. All right. So simplify, right? How would I simplify this? Wrap that melee enemy CPU in an if exists. I thought I... Yeah, but if it doesn't exist, it won't be able to hit it. You really want me to try that? I will. Wouldn't that be a bug in the code though? And I mean, not in my code, but wouldn't that be a bug in will melee hit? If it doesn't exist, we can't hit it though. Maybe I'm just not understanding what that implies. To me, that implies that it's going to return true if there's something there and we can hit it. Are you saying that it could return true if this is empty? Okay, well, we can give it a try. Let's give it a try. Actually, that's going to run into that chip, right? Let's see. No. It just doesn't work. No, I'm attacking other people. This is an attack script. It should be going into this else if, right? Is there debug stuff? See, this is really, I really wish that there was a reference. I'd like to like debug this to see, like, I'd like to have it print stuff to tell me, or an alert or something to tell me where it is. Or console log. There's no console log, is there? Thank you, Playing with Scissors. Here, I could be doing move direction instead of move to. I only want, I'm testing my own defense. I guess I could go back and test my own defense with my own attack scripts. That's debug. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Debug log. Debugging. It's just a string. Okay, so let's try this. It's update, and we will save and exit. Defend, test, clear all. Let's put the Blitz guy down. Edit him to, oh, I did the wrong one. Blitz. Okay, so debug log. Attacking CPU. Cloaking. Cloaking. At right edge. Above target. Above CPU. Else below CPU. This could be a move down, by the way. Moving down. Moving up. Melee up, melee down. Not at right edge. Moving right. What happened? Oh, don't tell me the insert thing works. I haven't had that for so long. I accidentally hit that and I'm like, what's happening? The insert overwrite thing doesn't actually work on VS Code. Okay. Melee will hit melee. If we get down to here, it's going to be like, I don't know what happened. Oh, I hit save. I'm so used to hitting save. Okay, hit. So now how does the debug log work? Browser console. Okay, we can do that. Browser console. So let us clear the console and we will go. Error running update on by player. T has components, not a function. I don't know how to interpret any of this stuff. What does that mean? Error running update owned by player. T.has component is not a function. Is it printing anything? Hello? I keep hitting save. Okay, try again. Go. Oh, there's the hello. So it's right after that, I guess. Test. Is it this? Clear. Go. Okay, no, it got past that. CPU exists. Let's just else it'll pimp out this whole thing with debug logs. It will do. Not attacking CPU. CPU does not exist, right? Cloak. Move. We'll find this. It's just a matter of searching and destroying the bug, right? Melee? Alright. Let's try again. CPU exists. It's getting into the CPU exists and running into a problem. Will melee hit it on enemy CPU is not, it's not a function. Will melee hit is not a function, apparently. Let's just remove this for now. Oh, you think so? Yeah, but exists return true. Well, now he's moving. Interesting. It did all the debugging before the simulation. Okay, it's something to do with that, right? Will melee hit enemy CPU? Yeah, but this is an attack script, though. Attack script. Will melee... Okay, there is no will melee hit. Maybe that's the problem. There is no will melee hit. Does will missiles hit, will lasers hit? Well, I'm editing the defense, but I'm using my own attack bot. It's the attack script for the attack side. I'm testing the defense, but I'm using my own attack things because you can only use the debug log when you're editing your defense. Will melee hit come from Blockly originally? Yes, it did, but it came from an attack script. We can go back to that. Is that maybe that's a bug? We're done. Sure. Right, so pick the non-JS version. It's an attack script, and it says, if melee will hit target enemy CPU. Is that the problem? Will melee hit target? Maybe that's broken. So where do we find that? Let's look at this in the JavaScript. What does that look like? Yeah. So it's called will melee hit. but it's given an argument this time. Maybe that's the problem. It's broken. So go back. Let's exit out of this. Go back to testing here, and let's turn this on. Clear it. Clear all. Put Blitz down. Edit Blitz. So the hypothesis is that the you can't actually pass enemy CPU to will melee hit, but perhaps that will do. And we're not attacking CPU, we're just attacking something. Try that. Go. Yeah, it works. Now flip those lines. Update. Clear and go. Yep, it's some kind of bug. Well, I've got plenty of VOD to show Adam. So I recreated this how. I went to attack someone, and I went and made a script. Actually, we can just make a new script, right? Create new script. Bug repro. And we did it in Blockly. And I made an offense script, melee. And I changed that to, wait a minute. Hold on. Now it's directional. Oh, melee hit target. We did that, right? And we had to make a find. Find. And we did a set. And we renamed it to enemy CPU, right? And we did find enemy CPUs. And this script fails. Right? So let's update and try to attack with that. Go. I have to place 3. Okay, fine. Go. One more. Yeah, broken. Well, okay. Not verify that it's broken. I should have a... Whoa, what happened? Oh, I lost. I should have a figure it out or something at the end, right? I don't need the expanded, actually. Where's the figure it out? Yeah. So this just doesn't work, right? Yeah, it doesn't work. It breaks. It should do something. It should get to figure it out, right? And do something. And the way to fix it was we'll just to change it out, right? With this. And now it'll work. Yeah. So now they do stuff. Okay. Found the bug. Now how do I work around it? Let's do it in my own defense thing so I don't keep my attack rating's gotten plunged straight down to the bottom, I'm sure. All right, so how do I work around this problem? There was a way to get like the distance Oh, you reported it already? Thank you. There was a way to get like the direction once we have it, right? Let's see. Data init. I can optimize this I can improve this a little bit, right? This, instead of can move to, it can be can move and then a direction, right? Can move. Yeah, can move. So this can be, it can move down. And the move equivalent is just move, right? Move. Yes. This is at least a little bit more readable. Can move up, move up. Can move right. Move right. Okay. So, yeah, I want to see like if the entity is next to us, let's see if there's a way I can do that. It would be nice if that just worked. Maybe the problem is that is a list or something, and then will melee hit needs a single thing. Problem is it's not in the API at all. How do you get an entity? Okay, we can do it this way. Get entity at, and then we should be able to sense the CPU, right? Try zero for science. So we can do that. It's weird. I hit the update button and it didn't work. No, it doesn't like it. Sorry. Zero is not allowed as a refinement on objects. I'm using the wrong method. It's find entity, not entities. Okay, but I didn't type that. That was from Blockly. So is that the bug then? I can give a target. Okay. But the playing with scissors, the problem was it got to there and it melted down. Is it because it's a wrong type? So no, this is so. Do I need the fourth argument? Sort by distance. All sort of sending doesn't matter, right? I'm good at finding bugs, apparently. So this should work now, right? Let's try it out. I already had a blitz up there. Let's do it. Okay. Seems to work. See, they go all the way to the right and then they go down. How come they stopped though? Why did he stop there? Why isn't he moving? Move! Bug found. I found a bug. But how come is that just a fluke that it didn't move? Is that like a code timeout that he stopped moving? No, he stops moving. Why is he not moving? I guess I could look at the debug. Clear that, and then we go. We're running into some other problem. I apparently never wrote a sort function by sort type equals false. Okay, that deserves an Adam lol. Okay, so I will pass true, I guess. You said it was sort by, wait a minute, sort by type. Check the API, okay. I don't actually not sure which function. It's after hello 1. It's find entity. Okay, well let's look for find entity. There is no find entity. There's no find entity. Playing with scissors. There's find entities. But there's no find entity. Nope. And find entities was breaking. That's undocumented then. Okay, and so what do I do? Sort type. Okay, do I just do true and true then? There's only 4 possibilities, right? We try all 4. Okay, clear. Go. Nope. Running to something else. I apparently never wrote a sort function for sort type equals true. Why don't you use it verbatim? Just use the code that you gave me. Let me look. Okay, fine. I'll look at the code you gave me. Where was it? Let me find it. The MIT code, right? I'm just looking back at the chat log. Here we go. Oh, I was about to get it and then it popped. Oh, I'm sorry. You did tell me that. And I thought that those were placeholders for variables and I needed... Okay, so those are literals. I just misunderstood that. You're saying that these are literals. Sort by distance. Sort... I thought that those were placeholders for booleans. If that makes sense. But now I understand. You're saying that those are constants. Yeah, okay. Got it. My bad. I cleared it after the fact. Let's try again. It does a simulation all first and then it does the play out. It's interesting that it at least got down to row 2 before it broke before. Oh, probably because it sensed the enemy CPU when it got to row 2, right? So it doesn't sense the CPU until it gets down to here, and then it senses it. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. So the bug was in find entities, right? Find entities doesn't play with will melee hit for some reason. Okay, well we worked around it by doing find entity, which makes more sense anyway because there's only going to be one enemy CPU. This is the code. That's basically what I'm doing, right? Except for I don't have missiles. Yeah, this is simpler, yeah. So move to does work the way I did, so I can simplify my code a bit, right? It was if can move to destination X, destination Y, move to. Else, then we're meleeing, right? Actually, we don't need an else. We'll just fall through. Although we can melee in the correct direction. Then we can hit things that we can't even see, right? If we can't move, then there's obviously something there. Down. Melee up. I guess I don't need these debugs anymore. We fixed the bug, right? We can remove all the debugging. Famous last words. Okay, don't need the else. Okay, so find the CPU. If it exists, if we can hit it, melee it. If we can cloak, cloak. Move to the right by default. If we're at the right, move towards the. Actually, I guess we can pursue. We can do the pursue enemy CPU. But I know the CPU is always going to be where one square to the left of the right edge, right? So this should work. Can move there. We move to it. Yes. Destination Y is always Y. Well, not if we're at the right edge. What did I miss? I missed a quote. I missed a bracket somewhere. Here. Too many brackets. All right, let's try it. Go, Blitz. There it goes. They're blitzing. Oh, they're not moving. No, the move down isn't working. So let me see. Did you had that? Only you called it pursue. Oh, you had move. You have move to destination XY. How come is the can move to doesn't work? Did I see the cloak thing? Yeah. If you run into it, it decloaks. Yeah. I'm just gonna have it see if it can. I'm wondering if that just doesn't work. Can move to. If it can sense a path. Okay, so yeah, it can't sense a path. So I can't do that optimization, can I? So it'll have to do this way. Like so. Oh no, I didn't. I read it, but I didn't speak it. I saw it. Okay, there they go. And they got behind my enemy lines. Oh, my near defenders caught him though. And they correctly took him out when they got in the way. He doesn't. Okay, I think playing with scissors has got a better strategy. He actually pursues the CPU if he can sense it. So let's do the same thing. The way he did it was, if it exists, pursue it. Actually, that's easier, right? If we can hit it, hit it. Otherwise, pursue. Is that what you had? Yeah, pursue. Only if something's in the way, that's going to be a problem, right? Let me move this. Let's have it pursue if it gets to the right and can't hit it. Okay. Let me think about that. Do at the end of the code. Otherwise, yeah, they won't attack stuff in the way, right? Let me think about this. Yeah, rather than blindly meleeing. Maybe do it if melee can hit. will... So will melee hit is completely undocumented, right? Let's just, it's like melee with no, yeah, like that, right? Else, here's where I'll do it. Per if, else, if exists enemy CPU, pursue it. Like that, right? And then I can remove this. So if we can hit it, we just hit it. We ignore everything else. Otherwise, try to cloak. Otherwise, try to move down. If we can't move down, if we can hit something, hit it. Otherwise, if we can pursue the CPU, pursue it. Yeah, I like it. Let's try it. Go. So they go to the right, then they go down. Okay, he hit the defender once, but now they're focusing on the CPU and taking it out. I kind of want that, even if there are enemies nearby. I want it to like chew on the CPU as much as it can. Okay, let's try it out in a real battle. Attack. Who are we attacking? Dommel. Alright, perfect. He has no defenders around his CPU. Oh, I was already on stage 3. Well, maybe I'll redeem this battle by blitzing all the way to the goal here. There we go. He can't see me, and I'm going to pummel his CPU. He's going to see me, though. And I'm not going to defend myself. Oh, well. Hey, got some... I should have a defender go with him, though. Okay, L4v4. Here we go. One here, one here. We'll have one in the backup. Go. Just don't move up. That's right, let me sneak right past you. Exactly. He should... Oh no, why is he pursuing... There we go. Pursue that CPU. There you go. Kill it. Kill it with fire. Cool. That's the objective complete, right? It got past half, so I should be able to do it with one more. No, he got hung up. This might not work. Sneak past. Get it. Get it. Yay, I won. That was fun. Well, unfortunately, it's way past my end of stream time. I am getting hungry, and I need to check on my son who's sick today, so... I hope you enjoyed me playing Botland, and before that, doing the coding. It was interesting to find that bug, which I know how to recreate now. Where... Let's make sure I can recreate that. So it was in defense, and all I needed to do was test it and make use of this test script called bug repro, where we will see, if we use that, we will see in the console, we will see errors if we try to use Blitz, right? So clear all, put Blitz down anywhere, and hit go, and we'll see errors. Oh, we don't see errors. Oh, did I screw up the bug repro? I did. It was not any direction. It was, will melee hit target enemy CPU. That's the bug repro. So now when I go, I get a bunch of errors. So there we go. There's the script to send to Adam, although I guess you guys already did it. But that's the blockly that gets errors. Right there. It's evil. Don't touch that script. Is there an article about Battlesnake on the front page? Oh, there is one. Seems like opportunity for someone with HN Karma to post a relevant comment comparing and contrasting the Botland with the link. I don't know anything about Battlesnake, but yeah, go for it, guys, if you do. You'd be able to beat Playing with Sisters Defense? I thought he said that that was his old script, though. He wouldn't give us his top secret newest scripts, I'm sure. All right, is there anyone else streaming Botland now? Anybody else want to take over? Hold on. All right, so that was my son wanting to get fed, so... Yeah, I'm looking to see if someone else is playing Botland. It's just me playing Botland. Look, I'm at the front. Anyone else want to stream Botland now? I will host you. Anybody? Let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to have to give up on Botland and raid someone else. I'll give you guys a minute to consider. Will you take over the Botland train? Let me know, otherwise I gotta host someone else. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Oh well, no one wants to play Botland? We'll have to raid someone else. Well, Tim is on. What is he, playing Rocket League? I don't know, do you guys want to see a dev coder or a friend of the community who is not coding right now? Or maybe Oh Bother. Oh Bother's kind of fun. I think we'll raid Oh Bother. You guys will like him. He is working on playing with a vacuum motor today, building a new smoke sucker. He also has his burn the subs laser that burns your name in if you subscribe to his channel, which is always fun to talk about and look at. So I will leave you guys with Oh Bother as soon as I get back to my dashboard. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'll be back 10 o'clock PST for more coding and maybe some Botland after. See you guys. Bye-bye.